When I was a kid, I grew up in Grand Forks and our house flooded. That was a pretty memorable early experience in my life. Our basement was full of water. The neighbor's basement caved in and they lost their home. There were entire neighborhoods washed out by the flood. At that point in time though, I didn't know that I wanted to be an engineer, and I didn't know what an engineer was. I went through school and was really into math, and I got to college, started taking all those classes and liked waters. And I chose to work at Moore Engineering because they had an opening in their waters department. Once I came here, I got the opportunity to work on a flood risk reduction project for Ada, Minnesota, who also flooded in '97. And it has been so rewarding to be able to work on projects like that. And it all just fell into place and worked out really well in the end.
I became an engineer because, number one, when I was in high school, I was really good at math. It came easy to me, and so my advisors at that time said, hey, you should look into engineering. I really enjoyed outside, and I really enjoyed the outdoors, and so one of the things I was pushed to was to look into engineering, to be outside and work on some of the construction projects, and that interested me, and so that was kind of how I started out in my decision to be an engineer.
Part of the reason I became an engineer is I like to solve problems. And that's really what engineering is all about, is trying to, find solutions to problems that are out there. And it probably started from when I was a little kid, even if it was just Legos, trying to put them together and make something cool. So really that's what it comes back down to, is solving problems.
My father, he was a construction engineer before he retired. So when I was little, I saw the big piles of those old-fashioned blueprints that he brought home. And I could not understand those line works for sure at that time, but I was surprised to see, wow, the buildings, they were built based on those line works. So that was amazing and cool for the little girl at that time. And then that's how I get into the engineering field.